Hello everyone, today I am going to show how you can create the Google Ads account for free. For that you need to open the browser. Better you open the Google Chrome. So once you open the Google Chrome, you can see three dots on the top side corner. So click on the three dots, then you can see new incognito window. I will recommend you can open from incognito window. So click on the new incognito window. Once you click, just type here google.com, enter. So you are already on Google. So now here you need to click on the sign in button. So you need to have a Gmail account. You can use your existing account or you need to create the new Gmail account. So I have already Gmail account. I'm going to sign in here. So click sign in, then put your email ID, then click next, then put password, then next. So I already sign in. Once you sign in, you need to go to the browser. Just type here ads.google.com. Okay, ads.google.com. Hit enter button. Now it's already in Google Ads sign in window, but we need to create the account first. So you need to click the get started button. Click on the get started button here. Then you can see here two options here. I will recommend you can click on the sign up now. Don't click on the get recommendation. And also here you need to follow the same step what I'm doing. If you click different option, then you cannot create the Google Ads account. So I'm going to click the sign up now. Okay, then you will get another window. Here what you need to do, you need to click on the switch to expert mode. They are asking what is your business name, but if you go for the next, it's very difficult to create the account. So you can click on switch to expert mode. So I'm going to click this. Then they are asking choose your objective. They are asking for to create the campaign. So we need to create the account first without doing any campaign. So here you can see create an account without a campaign. So you need to click on this link, not in this any of the box. Don't click here. Click on create an account without campaign. Then here you can see confirm your business information, the billing country, currency and time zone. This one you need to be careful. You need to put the correct billing country and currency and time zone. Otherwise maybe you cannot change later once you create the account. So make sure it's correct. Then submit. So once you submit, you can see explore your account one button here. Click on explore your account. Okay, it's already done. You have already the Google Ads account. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Take care.